Okay, students, welcome back to my video again. So we are just in the chapter exercise 8.4, page number 183, the quadratic equations, the word problems related to the quadratic equations. So we are just continuing the previous chapter. Okay, so now just the continuations of the general sections. The page number is already I have written on the board. Exercise 8.4 of Vedanta Axle. Now let's see 2z. Now let's start from the 2z. Okay, so if you haven't seen the previous video, do please see the video also of the previous chapter of the previous problems that we have done. Okay, now look there. Just look in the board and try to understand the questions. If double of the natural number, so I have considered that natural number as x variable by that variable x. So if double of the natural number is equals to the square of the number, so by equations, so this is natural number which we have considered, and the double of natural number is equals to the square of this natural number. So this is the condition we have given. Now from there we have to find the value of x. So this x represents the natural number. So natural number, it always starts from 1, so there is no zero value for. Okay, so you move, or you can write x squared minus 2x equals to 0, or x minus, take x common, x minus 2 is equals to 0. So you do either now, either x equals to 0. So there is no 0 in the natural number, so we reject 0. Okay, you just reject, because it is said in the question that the number is natural, so natural number doesn't contains the 0. So either x equals to 0, which we have rejected, the reason okay, and another, or x minus 2 is equals to 0, or x equals to 2. Therefore the number is 2. Okay, it's simple. It's simple, not ready mango. Okay, now let's move to number 3. Let's move to the number 3. Very easy. So the problem is just to make this equation, and other you can do which whatever methods you feel more easy. Okay, now let's move on to number 3a. The sum of a positive number and its square is 30. Okay, the sum of a positive number, it might be 1 2 3 whatever. Okay, the sum of the positive number and its square is 30. So let's move to the number 3a. Let that positive number be x, just like the previous one. Now from the questions, I'm just going to modify this one. Okay, from that questions, by equation, the given condition we have given is this one: the sum of the positive number, the sum of the positive number, so we have considered that positive number x with x variable. So by that condition, what we have to make the equations is just the sum of the positive number, and the square of that number. Okay, x is the number we have supposed, and the sum of these two, the number and its square, the sum of these two will be 30. Okay, now you do. Now you move this 30 to the other side. You arrange this x squared plus x minus 30. Now you make this 5, 6 to 30. 6 minus 5, you'll get 1. You know how to factorize. Now in this up to this level, you should know how to factorize. I'm not going to depth. 6x minus 5x minus 30. You take common here, x plus 6 minus 5 will be common here, x plus 6, or x plus 6 common, and remaining will be inside the bracket x minus 5. Now you do either or. Either x plus 6 equals to 0 or x is equals to minus 6. We have to reject this because in the questions, by questions, the sum of positive number, we are only asked to find that positive number. So this is a negative number, the value is a negative, so we reject. Now either or x minus 5 equals to 0 or x equals to 5. Therefore the number is 5. Easy. So very easy. You know which part is the most crucial, just to make this equation. Trying to understand the questions and try to make this equation is very important, and the rest of you have done earlier in the previous exercise also. How to simplify that, how to factorize, you have already done it. So let's move to the number B, 3a. 2z, 3a we have finished. Now let's move on to number 3b. Okay, if you haven't finished, try to take the screenshot. I'm going to rub it. Now let's move to the number 3b. So I'll take the same variable x. Okay, let's now, according to the 3b questions, if a natural number is subtracted from its square, the difference will be 12, which means let that natural number be x. Then by questions, if a natural number is subtracted from its square, so this is the natural number we have supposed. Okay, let that number be x. So if this square of this number is subtracted, okay, square, if this natural number is subtracted from its square, then the difference is 12. Now you move to the other side, just like the previous one. You just factorize. Minus x minus 12 equals to 0. Now factorize this. 4 3 is 12. 4 minus 3, or x square minus 4x. You should not, you have to multiply. You have to open this bracket with this minus sign. Minus plus minus 4, minus minus plus 3 times x. You must not forget that. If the slightly mistake, the whole answer will go wrong. Okay, now this is x minus 4 plus 3, x minus 3 4 is 12. Okay, now here x minus 4 will be the common. X plus 3 equals to 0. Now do either. Since it is a natural number, so there is no, yes, natural number, there is no integers belong. Integers consist of negative. Okay, so in natural number there is no negative. So if the value comes in negative, you just reject that. Either x minus 4 is equals to 0, or x equals to 4, or x plus 3 equals to 0, or x equals to minus 3. You just reject this value. Therefore the number is 4. Therefore the number is 4. Okay, so this much for today's class. I hope you enjoy this, you like it, and I'm able to make you understand these more problems in more profound way. So keep tuning on my video, keep watching my video. It will make you more understandable. Okay, that's what I think. And please don't forget to hit like, subscribe to my channel, and we'll be coming up to the in the next video also with this type of content. We'll be continuing from 3A and B we have done already right now today. So, and we'll continue from 3C and so on. Okay, until then, goodbye, stay blessed.